iPhone keyboard lagging after the iOS 15 update? Here's how to fix it. Reset the keyboard dictionary. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action by tapping on Reset Dictionary. Reset your iPhone. If the first method didn't help, reboot your iPhone. Restarting the device usually helps if it encountered minor bugs or glitches that might have interfered with the keyboard. Restart a lot of the time solves the issue. Turn off the slow keys feature. Open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility Settings. Tap on Keyboards. Then tap on Slow Keys. Next to Slow Keys, toggle the slider to disable the feature. Turn off the Predictive feature. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Tap on Keyboard. Then next to Predictive, toggle the slider to disable the option. Turn off Reduce Motion feature or turn it on. Open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility Settings. Under Vision, tap on Motion. Then, if the Reduce Motion feature is enabled, turn it off. If it's turned off, enable it. Turn off all keyboard settings. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Tap on Keyboard. You'll see all keyboard settings that you can turn on and have it off. Go through each and check if the keyboard stops lagging. If possible, update your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Then tap on Software Update. Now, wait while your device searches for updates. If found any, update the iPhone. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel